Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to make single images from a movie with MPEG Streamclip, which is a video converter. You first need to download this, and I try to find it together with you. There are first results. For example, converter for Windows. You can have it for Mac too. And here you can download it. There's a stable version, or you try the one that is not that stable. To make it safe, download this one. Okay, I have already downloaded it and started. And I'm going to load the video I have downloaded from YouTube in the last video, which is at my desktop. This one. There it is. Now I'm going to go to the sequence where I want to make images from. This looks good. I do this with the mouse button, with the left mouse button, but you can also use your arrow keys. I think this is alright, and I press the I for in. Press the I on your keyboard, and you need an out too. That means that between the in and the out there is they will make images from this part of the video. I use the arrow keys at the moment. This looks good. This will be my out. I press the key O. And now I'm going to go to File, Export to other formats, because you find here the option to export a sequence of images. You have to go here at the top, and you have to choose image sequence. You may use these options and say JPEG, because it is a smaller file. You need a small file for a GIF, and we just want to have 8 images per second. You need to have a small amount of images. It is with GIF, it is difficult when the files get larger. I also choose better downscaling. I leave it unscaled for now, and I say OK. I'm going to create first a new folder where I want to save my images. Save. This looks good. There it is. Color images. Yes. Next video we are going to load these single images into GIMP and we are going to make a GIF.